Amazfit GTR2 are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best Amazfit GTR2 from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the full video. Unique Club Model Amazfit GTR2 Display Type Clear HD 1.2-inch Retina Grade AMOLED screen with a resolution of 390 x 390 326 pi color. Obsidian black waterproofing grade. 5 ATM 50 meters waterproof high precision GPS function. 12 sports mode strap width. Is 20 mm Bluetooth version 5.0. Support Android 5.0 and above, and iOS 10.0. Weight 31.5 grams. Without strap, body. Aluminum alloy strap, silicone, quick release health. Self-developed BioTracker 2 PPG. Support blood oxygen. Biological data sensor movement. Air pressure sensor. Acceleration sensor. Gyroscope sensor. Supported app software.